Hi you guys, welcome to Oshikosh. So I'm back in the bathroom, so it's always something different when I'm back in the bathroom. So today in the bathroom, I'm going to be doing a slick ponytail. And clearly you can tell my hair is kind of crunchy, kind of nasty. I went to the sauna yesterday, so it is sweaty and nasty. When I straighten my hair, I want it to be straightened or to keep it in that like stretched out stage as long as possible. So today I'm going to try to slick it back. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So my hair was straightened. Now it's at like, let's not talk about a stage. If I do sound kind of nasally or kind of sick, I am getting over a cold, so bear with me. If I sound out of breath, it's because again I'm getting over a cold. So I am gonna be using the bundle from Dyhair777. I did do a video on this hair recently where I made the curls wet. So this is what the hair looked like in the bundle stage. So I kept a bundle because I wanted to do the ponytail. So yeah, it's Brazilian 100% virgin hair, super soft. This is 20 inches and it's curly, so it doesn't look thick, but once you like figure it out and like get it like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but basically once I get it lived in, it's gonna look much thicker than what it does on camera. What you're gonna need is some brushes, a comb, some gel, edge control, and some hair ties, and some bobby pins, and of course the bundle. So let's get started. I'm gonna take my hair out. I want to do a middle part slick down bun. So first I'm gonna just part it to the middle. And my mirror is this way, so if I'm turning this way, it's because I'm using the mirror. It's kind of white. That white is like leftover gel from last time I did this. So I'm just gonna try to comb that out a little bit. So now that I have this combed out and it parted to where I want, it might not be the best part in the back, but it's all about what's in the front, the profile. So I'm gonna get some gel and I'm gonna get a handful of it. Cause your hair is, after you put the gel, like you're not about to keep this straight. So you're gonna put the gel on the edges, all the way down. Really just get this gel all throughout the hair so your hair is as slick as possible. So once I got the gel in, I'm gonna get my bristle brush, my wave brush, and I'm gonna brush that through again. This is making it really slick. Alright, once I have it brushed down to where I want, can you guys see how slick it is? Make a ponytail. And again, you want to make this as flat as possible. No creases, no bumps. So. Alright, now that I have that as slick, I'm going to do the other side. As you guys can tell, you can see that this is slicker than this side already. Again, getting another handful of the gel. And then getting the bristle brush. Getting a edge brush or a wave brush really gets, like it really catches the hair and slicks it really good for you. Now that you got this part really slick, you just gonna get the rubber band as well, right here. And you're gonna knot that side up. So basically you're gonna have pigtails, but you gotta connect the pigtails. So I'm gonna use a bigger rubber, whatever you want to call it, hair tie, and connect them. And once you're connecting them, you kind of want to make it into a little bun. I'm gonna use another band and like try to get those flyaways and get it tucked in really good. So now that I have it into like a little knot and it's slicked down, and you're like, the edges though, this is the part where you start getting your edges slayed to how you like them. Okay, this is kind of hard to do on camera. Let me put on my glasses, maybe it'll help me see better. Definitely worked, okay. Okay, now that side is done, I'm gonna do the other side. So once you have your edges laid to how you want them, to the perfection, to the guys, you're gonna want to put your scarf on. That's what we're doing now.
A few moments later.
So basically she's gonna do is wrap it around and pin as she wraps, right?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna wrap a piece to hide all the wrapping. So I'm just gonna like separate the curls because I want it to look like, I don't know, separated to make it look a little bit fuller and whatnot. So this is the finished look.